Hello, Miss. Today we will delve into an important writing technique known as causal analysis. This method is particularly effective for understanding human experiences, especially when we are faced with various issues and problems. By analyzing causes and effects, we can gain deeper insights into the reasons behind events and the consequences that follows. Let's explore how causal analysis works and why is it essential in both academic and everyday writing. Causal analysis is the process of identifying the causes and effects, particularly situation, event, or phenomenon. It stems from our inherent human desire to make connection and understand the reasons behind what happens around us. For example, consider a student who fails an exam. We might ask, what caused this failure? Possible causes could include lack of preparation, misunderstanding, misunderstanding the material, or even personal issues affecting focus. On the flip side, we can also analyze the effects of this failure. The student might feel discouraged, leading to a lack of motivations in future studies or need to retake the course. This illustrates how causal analysis helps us not only identify what prompts an event but also understand the resulting consequences. Now, let's clarify the concepts of cause and effect. A cause is what prompts something to happen, while an effect is the result of that cause. For instance, in a problem solution type of paper, the problem often serves as the cause, and the solution represents the effect. Take the issue of pollution as an example. Pollution is a significant problem, and implementing recycle programs can be seen as a solution. However, it's important to note that a problem can also be the effect of another event. For example, economic growth can lead to increased industrial activities, which in turn causes pollution. This creates a causal chain where multiple sets of causes and effects are interconnected. Understanding these relationships is crucial. It also allows us to see how one event can lead to another, creating a ripple effect. For instance, if a city experiences rise in a crime rate, we might analyze the causes, such as economic downturns or lack of community programs which could lead to further social issues. Let's apply causal analysis to a more personal decision. Choosing whether to travel when faced with this decision, we can analyze the causes behind our choice. What pushes you to move from one location to another? Perhaps you feel a strong desire for adventure, or maybe you need a break from your daily routine. On the other hand, what happens after you make the choice? If you decide to travel, the effects might include experiencing new cultures, meeting new people, or even facing challenges, like travel delays. Conversely, if you choose to stay put, the effects could involve spending time with family or focusing on personal projects. By analyzing both the causes and effects of our decision, we gain a clearer understanding of our motivations and the potential outcomes of our choices. This process answers the critical question of why and how, helping us make informed decisions. To effectively convey causal relationship in writing, we often use specific keywords. These transition words help clarify the connection between causes and effects. Some common keywords include therefore, before, following, and previously. For example, you might say, because the weather was bad, the outdoor event was cancelled. Here, here, because clearly indicates the causes of the cancellation. Another example could be, following the implementation of new policies, employee satisfaction improved. In this case, following shows the sequence of events linking the causes to its effect. Now, let's discuss the writer's purpose for using causal analysis. This technique can serve various purposes. First, informative. It primarily explains the relationship between events. For instance, An informative piece might explore the causes of climate change, detailing factors like deforestation and fossil fuel consumption. Second, persuasive. Casual analysis can also attempt to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint. For example, an essay might argue that stricter environment regulation can significantly reduce pollution levels, using casual analysis to support this claim. Speculative. Finally, causal analysis can suggest possibilities and explore potential outcomes. For instance, a writer might speculate on how future technological advancement could change transportation methods, analyzing the possible effects on urban development. In conclusion, casual is an essential tool for understanding the relationship between events, helping us to explain, persuade, and speculate effectively. By identifying causes and effects, we can enhance the clarity and depth of our writing. I encourage you to apply casual analysis in your own work, whether you are writing an essay, a report, or even a personal reflection. That's all, Miss.